for us to go.
Then she changed her mind.
Yes, the last minute, the day that we are about to go to leave, she doesn't want us to go. Anyway,
I always do.
what are you eating? What are you licking, ha?
Sesame.
Sesame seed with mayo. Yan po ang dalaga ko. Yan ang firstborn. Laki na, oh. Laki na ng firstborn namin. Laki na. Dati ganyan lang yan, oh. Ganyan lang dati yan, oh. Ngayon, laki na, oh. Lel, dati ganyan ka lang. This is how little you are when you come out from mommy's tummy. Like this, oh. Look at it. Malaki pa to, eh. Malaki pa to, oh. Ganito ka lang dati, oh. Yan.
Ganito?
Yan. Ganyan.
Or ganito?
Hindi ganito.